शुरू कर रहे हैं आप लोग?
शुरू करें सर?
चेयरमैन सर से पूछ लेते हैं एक बार।
जी
रविंदर, कुछ कह रहे हो?
जरूर शुरू करिए।
सर, आई एम कनेक्टिंग इट लाइव, जस्ट 1 सेकंड।
सर शुरू करें?
हाँ, प्रोफेसर उनियाल ज्वाइन कर लिए?
यस सर।
Yes, I am here.
ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग प्रोफेसर उनियाल।
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning to all.
मॉर्निंग सर, शुरू कर लीजिए।
मैम, द प्रोग्राम इज लाइव ऑन फेसबुक।
Okay, thank you. Namaskar. A very pleasant morning to everyone. I feel extremely privileged and honored to welcome you all to our 62nd Annual Day and Prize Distribution Ceremony. The world, as we all are aware, in the state of pandemic since March 2020. And in this corona-stricken restricted life that all of us are leading, this virtual platform has come to our rescue. I, on behalf of entire ARSD fraternity, once again extend a very warm welcome to each one of you. और अब भारत की प्राचीन परंपरा के अनुसार हम सबसे पहले ज्ञान, बुद्धि और विवेक की देवी मां सरस्वती की आराधना से करेंगे। तो प्रस्तुत है आपके समक्ष सरस्वती वंदना।
हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। तू स्वर की देवी, ये संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे। हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण हमें प्यार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। मुनियों ने समझी है, कुनियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी। मुनियों ने समझी, गुनियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी। हम भी तो समझें, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पर विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे। तू श्वेत वर्णी कमल पर विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे। मन से हमारे मिटा के अंधेरे, हमको उजालों का संसार दे माँ। हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ। अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ।
Thank you, Vivek, for that very soulful rendition. Vivek Parashar is a member of Sarang, the Music Society of the college. Tejasvi Navadhitamastu, meaning, may our learning be endowed with radiance. के मूल सिद्धांत को अपने हृदय में संजोए, सनातन मूल्यों से अभिप्रेरित चरित्र निर्माण आदर्शवाद एवं समावेशित निष्पक्षता से आभूषित भारतीय ज्ञानाकाश में सनातन धर्म महाविद्यालय का उदय अगस्त 1959 में हुआ और सन 1968 में इसका नाम आत्माराम सनातन धर्म कॉलेज किया गया। अनेक गणमान्य संरक्षकों के सानिध्य में एवं महाविद्यालय के प्रथम प्राचार्य डॉक्टर RN राय से वर्तमान प्राचार्य प्रोफेसर ज्ञानतोष कुमार झा के अथक प्रयास के परिणाम स्वरूप 62 वर्ष का यह महाविद्यालय तकरीबन 13 एकड़ के प्रांगण में अपनी पर्यावरणीय सौंदर्य संजोए ज्ञान, विज्ञान, कला एवं साहित्य के क्षेत्र में निरंतर चहुमुखी छटा बिखेर रहा है। एक बार फिर तहे दिल से आप सबका स्वागत करती हूँ। It is an honor to have amidst us Professor Pradeep Kumar Verma, Chairman, Governing Body, as our esteemed chief guest for today's function. Professor Verma is presently in the Department of Genetics, Delhi University. Over the years, Sir has held various important administrative positions in the university. His research and teaching interests include genetics and plant biology. Sir has supervised several awarded and in-progress doctoral theses and MPhil dissertations. He has, to his credit, quite an impressive and extensive list of achievements. He has published many research papers and review articles in national and international journals of repute, along with several research projects and patents, as well as academic awards. Professor Verma is a recipient of Indian National Science Academy Teachers Award for the year 2016. We are extremely honored by your gracious presence, sir. I also extend a very warm welcome to our guest of honor, Professor Prem Lal Unyal, Treasurer, College Governing Body. Professor Unyal is in the Department of Botany, University of Delhi. His research interests include bryophytes and gymnosperms. He has provided guidance and supervision to several MPhil and PhD students during his career. Professor Unyal has authored a book and has several research publications, popular scientific articles, and research projects to his credit. He is associated with a number of professional bodies. We are indeed honored by your presence, sir. We also have amongst us our principal, Professor Gyanthosh Kumar Jha, who doesn't need any introduction. Under the dynamic leadership of our visionary principal, the college has grown into a vibrant and one of the leading colleges in the country. With your energy and enthusiasm, our college will definitely achieve greater excellence. And under your able guidance, sir, may we reach the next levels of glory. I take this opportunity to thank our principal, Professor Jha, for his constant support and guidance in all our endeavors. It is true that much of the intellectual development happens to a great extent in the classrooms, but various other aspects of personality, the essential skills and values can be developed through co-curricular activities, and the college provides excellent opportunities for students to exhibit their talents in the fields of dramatics, debate, music, dance, sports, social service, and other fields of culture through various societies and committees. To name a few, Rangayan, the dramatic society of the college, continues to enthrall audience with its splendid performances year after year. Continuing the tradition, this year also, the college organized a 5-day webinar on drama. The Northeast Welfare Committee organizes the Rainbow Festival every year, in addition to a number of talks celebrating the cultures and traditions of the Northeast. Nimbus, the English Debating Society, and Vedant, the Hindi Debating Society, actively contribute to the intellectual environment of the college, constantly motivating students to come forward to share their ideas and opinions confidently and convincingly. The college has a dynamic film appreciation society, TILT, which organizes movie screenings and seminars on a regular basis. Enactus ARST, since its inception in 2017, has worked towards uplifting the underprivileged and guiding them towards self-reliance through entrepreneurial action and empowerment. Artisania, the sole objective of this fine arts and crafts society is to enhance the creativity and skill of our students. We also have a very vibrant Gandhi Study Circle that aims at popularizing Gandhian thoughts and principles. The ARSD NCC unit has actively taken part in many prestigious camps and activities and has brought many laurels to the college. We have a thriving NSS society which has taken many initiatives in the field of community activities. The college also has a very active alumni association which organizes alumni meet every year. The college has acquired a position of excellence in nearly all aspects of education. Every year, the college is progressing and achieving excellent results in academics, sports, and co-curricular activities. And after the brief introduction about our college, we now move on to showcase the hard work put in by the members of various societies and committees of the college. We have a number of releases lined up for today. I seek permission from our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Pradeep Kumar Burma, and Guest of Honor, Professor Premlal Unialji, to go ahead with the releases. Sir, Anumati hai?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. To begin with, it gives me immense pleasure to announce the release of our annual yearbook. May I request Ravinder Pant to give us a glimpse of the annual yearbook. And I request Dr. Anju Bajaj, convener of annual yearbook, to say a few words.
Thank you. A very good morning and a warm welcome to all. Thank you, respected Chairman Sir and Treasurer Sir, for giving permission to release Annual Report 2020-21. The annual report is a snapshot of all the important activities throughout the year occurring in the college as well as at the society level. It recognizes the achievements of students and faculty and acknowledges the support of prominent people. It gives us immense pleasure to have a look at the growth of the college, milestones achieved, and the spirit of stakeholders. It encourages our fellow colleagues to actively participate in corporate life of the college. Such collaboration efforts enhance the morale of students, teachers, and the other staff. This annual report is a valuable addition in our collective journey during this pandemic time. In this hard time, college has done immense amount of online work, including webinars, FDP, and workshop in virtual mode. I am thankful to our principal, Professor Gyantosh Kumar Jha, for his able guidance and support during the preparation of this report. I would also like to thank my team members, Dr. Vinita Tuli, Convener IQAC, Dr. Ashutosh Vishbandhu, Ms. Maitri Rai Chaudhary, Ms. Priyanka Kulhari, Ms. Baljit Kaur, Ms. Anupriya Arora, Mr. Manvendra Yadav, Dr. Amit Vishkarma, and Dr. Abid Hussain for their tirelessly hard work during the preparation of this report. At last, I congratulate all the prize winners and individual achievers who have proved their mettle in different fields. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next up, we have the release of our college magazine, Udyachal. Can we have the cover page? I request Dr. I.M. Jha, the convener of the magazine committee, to share his thoughts with us.
Good morning, everybody. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Verma, Guest of Honor, Professor Unial, Principal, Professor G.K. Jha, and friends. It's really a matter of great satisfaction for me and our team, Udyachal team, that Udyachal is published for the reason that the kind of troubled times we are living in. Therefore, initially, I was rather reluctant to accept this responsibility. However, it proved a wonderful learning experience for me, reaffirming my faith in the merits of collective endeavor and democratic leadership, encouraged and provided by our Honorable Principal, Professor G.K. Jha. I am also grateful to team members, more specifically, Dr. Sudha Devi, Dr. Maitri Rai Chaudhary, Dr. Sridharam. Above all, I have reasons to celebrate the contribution of our student editor Swasti, a very intelligent, hardworking, and decent girl. Fact of the matter is, she is the main force behind this Udyachal. God bless you, Swasti, and all our students. However, I must add, when you print directly from a screen, there is every possibility that college might read collage. For any such mistakes, I am personally responsible, and we will highly appreciate if it is pointed out so that such errors don't recur in future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. With a team of around 100 self-motivated volunteers who are determined to bring a change in the society, the NSS unit of the ARST College has made a remarkable footprint and is devoted to community service. We now have the release of annual booklet of NSS. I request Dr. Anjani Singh, convener NSS, to tell us more about it.
Thank you, Roji ma'am. Good morning, respected Chief Guest Professor Pradeep Kumar Verma, Chairman College Governing Body, respected Professor Prem Lal Unial, Treasurer College, respected Principal Sir, Dr. Anju Bajaj, Convener Organizing Committee of Annual Function, and my dear friends. NSS magazine named Aina contains all activity done by NSS unit from June 2020 to June 2021. Sir, I am filled with honor to share that our NSS unit has conducted more than 200 webinars, workshops, different type of competition, e-Nukkad Natak, plantation drive, spreading awareness drive during COVID-19 on different social media platforms. During the second wave, our volunteers have been dedicatedly working to provide all information regarding availability of resources in various parts of India. We have actively worked on providing regular donation drive at our adopted slum, Sri Ram JJ camp nearby Satta Niketan. I feel extremely proud to share that our NSS volunteer was selected 3 RD camp, and 2 of our volunteers were selected as NSS for India volunteer for the month of August and September 2020. Sir, our college received one district, one green champion award by Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Council Education by Ministry of Education for our contribution to Swachhta Action Plan 2020-21. Sir, I would like to thank my team, Vidhi, Sunita, Prachi, Chama, and editorial team head Christy. And a special thanks to our principal, sir, Professor J.K. Jha, for his support and guidance during my NSS tenure. Sir, without your support, it could not be possible. Again, from all the unit, thank you so much. Hand over to Roji ma'am.
Rosie, you are mute.
Yeah, I'm sorry. For our next release, we have the Souvenir of Nimbus, the English Debating Society of the college. The focus of Nimbus is to trigger the passion towards public speaking, ensuring greater generation and sharing of ideas and constructive criticism. May I request the convener of Nimbus, Dr. Shubha Dwivedi, to tell us more about it.
Thank you, Rosie. Honorable Professor Burma, distinguished chief guest, Professor Unyal, guest of honor for today's function, Professor Gyantosh Kumar Jhaji, Principal ARST College and patron of Nimbus, my worthy colleagues and dear students and parents, a warm welcome and a pleasant morning. It's a day to be thankful for God's numerous blessings, grace and mercy in our lives, most especially for the gift of being alive, to be in fine fettle, to be able to learn and think despite all the confusion and mayhem all around us. It's also a day to be thankful for the numerous strides our dear institution has made in spite of the ordeals brought by the global health emergency. Unfolding the journey of the college's English Debate Society Nimbus, during these trying times, I, Shubha Dwivedi, convener Nimbus with pride and pleasure, present before you the 5th edition of our annual souvenir, commemorating both the firm resolve that led to the achievement of new milestones, as well as the creation of a refined space for intellectual discourse and passionate inquiry, promoting freedom of expression and positive change. This year, the society took huge leap forward and partnered with other institutions, as well as with people and professionals on a number of fruitful enterprises and events. They say when the going gets tough, the tough get going. It's a befitting phrase for all of us at ARST, and with our visionary principal, Professor Jha, who encouraged us to keep the students engaged and motivated throughout the COVID-19 outbreak, we could organize many enlightening sessions, webinars, and even inter-college level and national and international level events. As a pioneering effort, we were able to organize an inter-college virtual national debate competition in collaboration with Vivekanand School of Law and Legal Studies, WIPS, during the first nationwide lockdown in the month of June. Then we had an international conventional debate where we connected debaters from different parts of the world, including delegates from the United States, the United Arab Emirates, Indonesia, and Japan via the internet. Numerous webinars and discussions were held for the improvement of confidence and personality development and public speaking exercises for the students, for the members of Nimbus. Notable among those were decoding self-confidence to improve communication, the history of women's movements in India with Professor Indu Ignohotri, ex-director CWDS, and a stimulating discussion on media and gender with Ms. Jyoti Yadav, an eminent multimedia journalist, to name a few. The year's highlight was the ARST Nimbus Youth Summit 2021, which took place online on March 12 and featured 6 extended live learning sessions on topics including gender, pop culture, communication through new media, mental, physical, and spiritual wellness, censorship and free speech, mental health and radio journalism, and so on and so forth. The present issue is before you, and it reflects our courage and ingenuity in adapting to the changing reality as we adopted new methods and skills and eventually became adept at developing our student strength through active exchange of ideas. This journey would not have been as successful without the continued support of our kind principal, Professor Jha, and members of the organizing committee, Ms. Maushami Ray, Dr. Rosie Sinha, Dr. Abra Sinha, Dr. Arvind Mishra, and Dr. Indrajit Jha, who were always ready with their constructive suggestions and participated in various events. I would want to congratulate all the team members of Nimbus for their exuberance and positive approach throughout the year. More specifically, Ishan Chatterjee, President of 2020 batch, and Komal Agarwal, Vice President, Nimbus 2020 batch, in particular for guiding the flock with unusual zeal and optimism. While I extend more power to Nimbusites in future, to all the meritorious students, I wish, may the road rise up to you, may the wind be ever at your back, may the sun shine warm upon your face, and the rain fall softly on your fields. And until we meet again, and that we must, may God hold you in the hollow of his hand. Thank you, everybody, and take care. Over to you, Rosie.
Thank you, Shubha, for that very comprehensive report. Lined up next for release, we have Samanvay, the Hindi newsletter. May I request Dr. Arvind Kumar Mishra, convener, to say a few words.
Thank you, Rosie ma'am. Respected Chairman sir, आज के Chief Guest प्रदीप कुमार वर्मा जी, Guest of Honor उनियाल sir, Principal sir, समन्वय कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल सर का एक आदर्श सपना है कि छात्रों के बीच न सिर्फ पाठ्यक्रम आधारित पाठ्यचर्चा होनी चाहिए, शिक्षण गतिविधियां चलनी चाहिए, बल्कि ग्रेजुएशन लेवल पे स्नातक स्तर पर छात्रों में शोध के प्रति एक अभिरुचि उत्पन्न हो, इसके लिए कुछ प्रयास किया जाए। और सर ने ये सोचकर समन्वय और सिनर्जी नाम से 2 अंतर अनुशासनिक पत्रिकाओं के प्रकाशन की बात शुरू की और हम लोगों को ये दायित्व दिया कि आप ये काम करें और जो छात्र हैं उनके बीच शोध की प्रवृत्ति अभी से विकसित करें, जिसके आधार पर वे शोध आलेख ग्रेजुएशन लेवल पे स्नातक स्तर पर लिखना शुरू करें, सीखना शुरू करें, ताकि आगे जाकर के एक बेहतर शोधार्थी के रूप में विकसित हो सके। उसी सपना को साकार करते हुए समन्वय का यह 7वां अंक आप लोगों के सामने प्रस्तुत है और पिछले 3 अंकों से मैं बहुत ही खुशी के साथ, उत्साह के साथ ये कहना चाहता हूँ, पिछले 3 अंकों से शोधात्मक प्रवृत्तियां विशेष रूप से छात्रों में विकसित हुई हैं और हमारे छात्रों ने लगातार शोध आलेख लिखने का प्रयास जारी रखा हुआ है। इसे आगे बढ़ाने में छात्रों का ही योगदान रहता है महत्वपूर्ण रूप से। मैं और मेरे साथ जो मित्र हैं श्री दीपांकर जी और डॉक्टर श्रीधरम जी, हम लोग सिर्फ देख रेख करते हैं, बाकी सारा काम हमारे छात्र ही आयोजित करते हैं। इसका इस अंक के लिए सुलभ यादव राजनीति विज्ञान विभाग से जुड़े हुए 3य वर्ष के छात्र, सीमांकन सहाय राजनीति विज्ञान 2य वर्ष के छात्र, अभिषेक तिवारी बी ऑनर्स हिंदी प्रथम वर्ष के छात्र, ऐश्वर्या गौतम बी ऑनर्स राजनीति विज्ञान 2य वर्ष के छात्र, के.आर. स्वाति बी ऑनर्स अंग्रेजी 3य वर्ष की छात्रा, इन सब ने समन्वय के इस 7वें अंक का प्रकाशन किया है। इसके लिए शोधालेख लिखवाए हैं और उसे व्यवस्थित रूप में हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत किया है। इस अंक में मुख्य रूप से 3 आलेख जो रिसर्च आलेख हैं, शोध आलेख हैं, महत्वपूर्ण हैं। उन तीनों आलेखों का जिक्र मैं करना चाहूंगा। पहला आलेख है मृत्युशैया पर क्षेत्रीय भाषाएं, एक उत्तर पूर्वी नजरिया, गुंजन दास राजनीति विज्ञान विभाग के छात्र हैं, 2य वर्ष के छात्र हैं। ये बहुत ही गंभीर तरीके से स्नातक 2य वर्ष के छात्र ने इस आलेख को लिखने का प्रयास किया है और आज जबकि नई शिक्षा नीति के साथ मातृभाषाओं को विकास का नया अवसर दिया जा रहा है, उस दौरान इस आलेख को पढ़ना और एक युवा के अनुभव से, भाषा संबंधी युवा के अनुभव से गुजरना हमारे लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण बात होगी। दूसरा महत्वपूर्ण आलेख है इस्लामी दुनिया में नारीवाद। इसे सौम्या ने लिखा है, सौम्या राजनीति विज्ञान विभाग से जुड़ी हुई है और उन्होंने इस आलेख के माध्यम से जो एक इस्लामी दृष्टि है, विश्व दृष्टि है, उसके अंदर स्त्रियों की भूमिका क्या है, स्त्रियों का महत्व क्या है, स्त्रियों की जगह क्या है, उसे अपना स्नातकीय दृष्टि, ग्रेजुएशन लेवल की जो उनकी समझ है शैक्षणिक, उस दृष्टि से देखने की कोशिश की है और बहुत ही विचारपूर्ण आलेख बन पड़ा है उनका। और एक तीसरा महत्वपूर्ण आलेख है अशोक के फूल, आचार्य हजारी प्रसाद द्विवेदी का निबंध है, उसके आधार पर उनकी सांस्कृतिक दृष्टि, कल्चरल व्यू ऑफ आचार्य हजारी प्रसाद द्विवेदी नाम से आलेख लिखा है मोहम्मद आजम ने। ये तीनों आलेख, शोध आलेख, इस अंक के बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण आलेख हैं और ये हमारे गर्व की बात है कि हमारे ग्रेजुएशन लेवल के छात्र, स्नातक स्तर के छात्र इस तरह से शोधपूर्ण आलेख लिखने की प्रक्रिया से गुजर रहे हैं, सीख रहे हैं, जो आगे जाकर के एक बेहतर शोधार्थी के रूप में विकसित होंगे। मैं विशेष रूप से कहना चाहूँगा कि समन्वय न सिर्फ ये अंक निकाल कर समन्वय समिति जो बच्चों की है वो शांत हो गई है और बहुत खुश है, बल्कि उन्होंने आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव का जो वर्ष चल रहा है, उस बीच आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव के नाम से एक नया अंक निकालने जा रहे हैं जो 10 अगस्त तक उनका तैयार हो जाएगा। तो आज़ादी के अमृत महोत्सव में भी एक अच्छा योगदान उन लोगों का है। और आज़ादी क्या थी, आज़ादी अब तक हमने कैसे जिया, उसकी उपलब्धियां क्या रही, इसमें फिर स्वतंत्रता का क्या मायने रहे, स्त्रियों की क्या भूमिका रही, इन तमाम संदर्भों को लेकर के हमारे छात्र शोधालेख लिख चुके हैं। बस पब्लिकेशन का प्रोसेस चल रहा है, तो एक नई उपलब्धि है। इसके बाद एक अंतिम बात मैं कहना चाहूँगा कि प्रथम वर्ष के छात्र हैं अभिषेक तिवारी, हिंदी ऑनर्स के हैं। इस समन्वय को अत्यंत व्यवस्थित रूप में आगे निकालने का काम वो देख रहे हैं, और उनके नेतृत्व में समन्वय लगभग आत्मनिर्भर हो गया अपने काम के लिए पूरी तरह से। पहले हम शिक्षकों के कंधों पर बहुत ज़्यादा काम आ जाया करता था बच्चों के कच्चे अनुभव की वजह से, लेकिन अभिषेक प्रथम वर्ष के छात्र होने के बावजूद अपने अनुभव का बहुत अच्छा प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं और समन्वय को अच्छा नेतृत्व दे रहे हैं। आगे आने वाले वर्षों में उनकी टीम ने एक परिकल्पना की है कि समन्वय एक बेहतर और कुछ अंकों के साथ सामने आएगा, जिसे हम शिक्षकों के लिए देखना, समझना और पढ़ना भी आनंददायी विषय होगा। इन तमाम बातों के साथ मैं कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल सर डॉक्टर प्रोफेसर ज्ञानतोष कुमार झा सर को विशेष रूप से धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, जो इस तरह की शैक्षणिक गतिविधियों को निरंतर जारी रखने के लिए हम लोगों को व्यक्तिगत रूप से निरंतर प्रोत्साहित करते रहते हैं और आगे बढ़ने के लिए प्रेरित करते हैं। धन्यवाद रोजी मैम।
Dhanyavad Arvindji. And now it's time for the release of the English newsletter Synergy. May I request Dr. Prerna Sinha, convener, to share her thoughts.
A very good morning. A very good morning to our distinguished guests, to our principal sir, Dr. Gyanthosh Kumar Jha, my colleagues and very dear students. On this annual day celebration of our college, Atmaran Sanatandam College, I feel greatly honored to present the 7th edition of the English newsletter titled Synergy. And it's my proud privilege that this is the 4th year in a row that I have been still given this opportunity to be associated with this newsletter. And this experience has been completely awesome, and it has been a great learning experience. Needless to say, I'm very, very thankful to our respected principal sir, Dr. Gyanthosh Kumar Jha, who has been so supportive. And he's always giving us all possible platforms to extend our horizons, help students to extend it further. And yes, I'm thankful to my co-editors in chief, Dr. Rosie Sinha, Department of English, Dr. Indrajit Jha, Department of Political Science, for their cooperation. And without their cooperation and support, again, this Synergy newsletter would not have been possible. I must confess that it's been a great delight in contributing to this creative act that has churned out immense latent creativity and imagination of students as contributors in the form of poems, articles, and reports, as well as in the form of the editorial team. Each year we have a different editorial team, and this editorial team really puts in so much of efforts, and I'm sure for them it's a great learning experience, which they are definitely going to find very, very useful in all their future endeavors. I wish them good luck, but I must mention their names as well. Khushi Mathur from 3rd year honors. She was the editor last year also, and this year too she's contributed. Apart from her, there has been Mohini Chandra from BA program, Ravi Rajput and Himakshi from 2nd year honors, and this is an interdisciplinary magazine where we encourage students to come not just as editors in the editorial team, we also invite articles as far as possible from all the different streams of the college. Previous year's newsletter saw one section dedicated to students' responses to the coronavirus pandemic. While this year's newsletter in its entirety owes testimony to its aftermath as outpourings from various students as they unleash the fear, the distress, loneliness, yet life, real life experiences unravels the unexpected. And the positive side too, we saw it in the form of our messiahs, the doctors, the health workers, the policemen, and the philanthropists. This newsletter is a proof that art can flourish in adversity, and it has the power to sustain, heal, and nourish human mind and spirits. I thank my editorial team once again, who have made this possible despite so many obstacles of the new normal. I convey my best wishes to all the students of the college to keep up their passion, their zeal alive to reach their goal despite hindrances. Once again, I thank our principal sir, Dr. Gyantosh Kumar Jha, to have given me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Prerna. The student team of Enactus ARSD, under the able guidance of its faculty, is poised to be one of the fastest growing Enactus societies in Delhi NCR, with some major projects under its wings. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the release of the annual yearbook of Enactus. And may I request Dr. Manika Jain, convener, to say a few words.
Thank you, Rosie ma'am. Greetings to the honorable dignitaries, respected principal sir, esteemed colleagues and dear students. I, Dr. Manika Jain, convener Enactus ARSD, am honored to present to this August gathering the third edition of our annual newsletter, which summarizes the endeavors and achievements of a team of around 80 students and 3 faculty advisors during the academic year 2020-21. I'm thankful to my co-faculty advisors, Dr. Manish Kumar and Mr. Amit Kumar, and the student editorial team members headed by Ms. Vriddhi, President of the Society, Himansi, Tuhina, Manvi, Avantika, and Khushi for the assistance and support in the process. I would like to take this opportunity to highlight the milestones that we were able to achieve in the last academic year. Enactus ARSD is the proud recipient of the KPMG Business Ethics Grant 2020 worth Rs 50,000. We were among the top 10 teams to receive this grant for promoting business ethics through our projects Kalakari and Srijan. We successfully conducted a week-long Sociopreneur Summit 2020 at an international level. We were among the top 10 teams to receive this grant for promoting business ethics through our projects Kalakari and Srijan. We successfully conducted a week-long Sociopreneur Summit in 2020 at an international level. The event witnessed participation of over 150 students from across 4 countries and speakers from Enactus Global. At the Enactus World Cup 2020, our academic research poster on the theme Social Entrepreneurial Action and Social Innovation was among the 15 such posters selected worldwide for presentation during the online event. We also launched our new project Niramaya during this pandemic and recently received and successfully processed our very first order of 4 masks manufactured by our beneficiary community. The pandemic has adversely affected the beneficiaries of our projects Kalakari, Srijan, Samvedna, and Niramaya, and hence urged us to explore newer ways to connect to people. To assist our beneficiaries in handling the value creation process, Enactus ARSD launched its web portal under the guidance of the principal sir and in the presence of the chairman sir and the treasurer sir. We have processed several orders through the portal and hence positively contributed to the economic well-being of our beneficiaries in these testing times. We at Enactus ARSD believe in creating an opportunity instead of waiting for one. During the last academic year, we have successfully conducted more than 30 events to train and educate our communities, to connect with Enactus teams worldwide, to de-stress and motivate students, to spread smile across the rehabilitated people, etc. However, These achievements would not have been possible without the constant support and encouragement and guidance of our respected principal, Sir, Professor Gyanatosh Kumar Jha. Sir, kindly accept our sincere gratitude. I would like to end with these lines. कुछ ज्यादा ख्वाहिशें नहीं है जिंदगी तुझसे, बस मेरा अगला कदम पिछले से बेहतरीन हो. Hope you all will enjoy reading our newsletter as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Thank you. Over to you, Rosina.
Thank you, Manika. Last but not the least, we now have the release of the annual newsletter of the Film Appreciation Society, TILT. The aim of this society is to cultivate a genuine appreciation of cinema as an artistic form by exposing students to the classics in world cinema. May I request Ms. Moshumi Ray, the convener, to say a few words.
Thank you, Rosie. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Yeah, thank you. Honorable dignitaries, Professor Burma, Professor Unyal, respected Principal Sir, Professor Gyanatosh Kumar Jha, dear colleagues, and my beloved students. We are indeed fortunate to be able to gather here today to acknowledge and celebrate the academic session of 2020-21. As convener of TILT, the Film Appreciation Society, ARSD College, a relatively young society with 60 motivated student members and 2 other teacher conveners, I would like to say that I'm pleased to announce that this has been a very productive year for us. Despite the tough times, our students have managed to win prizes, and I'm giving you a little snapshot, quick snapshot. First prize in Alek for script writing competition organized by DDUC Society, Photography and Filmmaking. Second position in Bollywood quiz by our own Republica ARSD. Third position, Bollywood quiz, Bharti College. And special mention at various film festivals for our film productions. We organized our flagship program Tamasha on the 11th of March virtually, which had, among other sections dealing with the various parts of filmmaking, a short film competition, Afsana, which saw great responses from colleges and universities across India. We provide a platform for aspiring filmmakers. We were fortunate to have renowned filmmaker Sanjeevan Lal for an interactive session with our students talking about his challenges about filmmaking and the great highs that filmmaking is capable of. We have an in-house production house, which we have called Tilted House Productions. And despite the terrible pandemic, we have managed to make 3 short films. The first is called Phantasm, which was part of the competition entry for IIT Bombay's Mood Indigo, and our theme was horror. The second is Teher, which was made at the height of the pandemic to give the students an articulating space for their mental health issues. Our annual production is Bathroom Mein Band. It is available on our website, and it has to do with the creative spirit and the spirit of hope. Apart from that, throughout the year, we have conducted workshops, webinars. Prominent among them is a workshop that we conducted on gender, films, and filmmaking with prominent director and award-winning director, Aditya Kriplani. To segue our academic and popular culture segment, we had a webinar on Romeo and Juliet. We provided a platform for the Hopping Sparrow Film Festival, and we also keep on upgrading ourselves with discussions and critical analysis. At TILT, along with my co-members, co-conveners, Dr. Prerna Sinha and Dr. Neeta Azad, I'd like to assert that we are very grateful for the support that we get from our college, especially our principal sir, who has been our guiding spirit. I would take this opportunity to reach out to my friends in the college to follow us on social media and leave your valuable comments and participate in the conversation. At TILT, We strive to excel and make our college proud. At Tilt, we believe that the show must go on no matter what, because there is no lockdown for creativity. Thank you. Over to you, Rosie.
Thank you, Maushami. And now I invite our principal, Professor Gyantosh Kumar Jha, to present the annual report for the academic session 2020-21. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Rosie Sinha, Honorable Professor Pradeep Kumar Verma, Chairman, College Governing Body, Honorable Professor Prem Lal Unyal, Treasurer, College Governing Body, colleagues, and my dear students. I welcome you all in this annual day prize distribution function, and I am proud that societies have presented their e-magazines, e-reports, and conveners of the different society have presented their reports also in this program. So with the permission of Chairman Sir and Treasurer Sir, I would like to present the annual report for the year 2021. It's an immense pleasure for me presenting before you all the annual report of the college for the year 2021. Sir, the founding principles of ARST have always been excellence, equity, and inclusivity. Even in these difficult times with the global pandemic and lockdown, ARST College has lived up to its motto, endowing learning with radiance. The college body has come together to ensure the teaching learning process remains undisturbed, research and innovation continue to thrive, and we discharge our duty to the larger community with integrity. We are ranked 13th in India as an institute of higher education by the NIRF last year, and this year NIRF Ministry of Education has not announced the ranking, All India ranking, and our India Today ranking are improving as well. We are currently ranked 11th in commerce and 12th in arts and 16th in the science in India. I want to congratulate Dr. Vinita Tuli, Nodal Officer for the ranking programs, and her team for achieving this kind of ranking. These achievements are possible because of hard work and dedication of the entire ARST community. I congratulate you all and urge you to keep working to bring ARST within the top 10 ranked institution in the country. This has been a year of consolidating strengths and developing new capabilities, exploring avenues of continued growth. This year, 1 week-long faculty development program on research methodology methodology, 1 3-day-long FDP on digital turn in education, 1 international conference, 3 national seminars were organized. We trained, engaged our we increased our grant corpus by 36 lakhs, and our undergraduate students remain actively involved in research. We broke new ground in organizing the first 2-week-long refresher course on cinema and society, inviting around 300 participants from all over the country. Online sessions were also organized to familiarize the staff and the students of the college with new online learning platforms such as MS Team and Google Meet. Overall, ARST College trained, engaged academically over 2,000 people across the length and breadth of this country, a formidable achievement. We also succeeded in creating an in-house fund for research and innovation, and preparation for a journal are underway. In addition, the college is planning to open an interdisciplinary central instrumentation facility inside the campus for the students, researchers, and faculty members. The IQAC of the college has organized more than 200 webinars to engage students in understanding diverse issues, including society, health, and sanitation, Ayurveda, COVID-19, psychology, literature, gender issues, environment, artificial intelligence, etc. Till now, 15,671 participants have participated in these sessions. Our webinars have attended thousands of national and international participants and are geared to cater to new demands and growing professional needs. Sir, students excelled this year despite severe constraints. Our pass percentage stands at nearly 100%. I congratulate all of our students for their efforts and the staff for enabling a supportive learning environment. The Department of College put their best foot forward, organizing virtual meets and seminars, webinars, keeping students engaged and contributing to the research environment in the college. I commend the staff and students who are taking FEST online and spreading happiness in such difficult times. Departmental events saw wide-scale participations from across the university and nationally as well. The third annual 10-day Sanskrit Sambhashan Shivir was organized, deepening our academic engagement. Our students and faculty members also performed very well in various national and international events they participated in. Despite the pandemic and unfamiliar online platforms, they have brought honor to the institution through their hard work and perseverance. The third edition of the intensive fair in April saw widespread participation from the industry and garnered much interest from the student body. Over 50 companies and 1,000 students participated in this event. 30 companies offered paid internship and placement opportunities. 200 students were selected over the course of 4-day-long event. Despite the lockdown, the placement cell conducted online recruitment drives. Through their energy and enthusiasm, they placed 134 students this year and 20 companies were a part of recruitment drives, apart from organizing and orientation sessions and webinars. In fact, a day before yesterday, Wipro has announced and they have recruited our 10 students this year also. So my congratulations to placement team and its convener, Dr. Ashutosh Vishwabandhu. Our advocacy of entrepreneurial opportunity, skill development, and vocational training received a fillip with success of several short-term courses launched over the past 3 years. The skill development and entrepreneurial cell received a tremendous response to the short-term courses on offer. 3 have been completed and 3 are there are more to follow. Industry collaboration received a boost through new MOUs signed. On particular, important is the MOU signed between ARSD College and National Productivity Council, an autonomous organization under Ministry of Commerce and Industry, under which ARSD College will facilitate university-wide customized training capacity building programs. In addition, ARSD College has signed an MOU with NSUT to foster research and provide more opportunities for students as well as faculty for enhancing their technical skills and research temper. Another welcome development is ARSD's participation in the Vidya Vistar scheme initiated by University of Delhi for developing academic cooperative bonding between colleges of the university with colleges of fellow universities situated in remote areas of the country. ARSD College has also been selected as a network institute by the Indian Institute of Remote Sensing Dehradun, IIRS, a constituent unit of Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. Sir, now I would like to tell about college societies. The societies have done well. The Hindi Debating Society, Vedanta, organized several intra and inter-college competitions apart from the participating enthusiastically in Youth Summit, winning many prizes. The English Debating Society, Nimbus, had a stellar year as well. And Dr. Subha Dwivedi, while presenting her annual report, she has described all the information. Till the Film Appreciation Society organized the 2nd edition of their film festival, Tamasa, this year. Ms. Mosmi Ray has explained about that. Pixelation, the Photographic Society, conducted photo walks, events, and workshop sessions with the professional members actively participated in competitions and organized the much awaited annual Fest Tasveer. Rangayan, our dramatic society, continued to excel though the lockdown curtailed events. Students of Rangayan also collaborated with various college societies to raise awareness about crucial issues and use theatre as an instrument of social change. Members of the cultural society graced every social event of the college with their music and artistry. Students have won several competitions throughout the year, bringing credit to the institution along with Artisania, the Arts and Crafts Society. The Cultural Society provides the workshops and competitions throughout the year. The Ambedkar Study Circle had a very busy year, organizing a speak out session, Samta Samvad, events commemorating the birth anniversaries of Dr. Ambedkar and Jyotiba Phule, webinars, discussions, and launching the second edition of their bilingual e-magazine, The Blue Sky. The society directs its efforts towards popularizing Dr. Ambedkar's vision of society, social equality. The Gandhi Study Circle also organized a special webinar and participated enthusiastically in the events organized by Gandhi Bhavan. Gandhi's vision of equality and ahimsa is actively carried forward by the society. Our work to beautify our surrounding was carried out admirably by the Garden Committee. The committee also organized a plantation drive, and Dr. Achingli Kemei participated in the virtual photography competition in due community category and received second prize for the same. Now I would like to tell about institutional and social responsibility of the ARSD College. The spirit of service is strong at ARSD. The college NCC troop is widely recognized for its commitment and integrity. Our cadets have consistently performed well and represented the college with pride at national events such as Republic Day Parade and many camps. The NCC troop is also an invaluable part of the college outreach activities and community services. Our NSS volunteers have also renewed their commitment to the institution and larger society in a major way. Apart from their regular calendar of events, NSS Week was organized with great fanfare, and Dr. Anjani Singh, the convener and the program officer of the NSS, has described a lot about their program. Enactus, the student team of Enactus CRSC under the able mentorship of the faculty, Dr. Madhika Jain and other members, worked on 4 major projects: Project Kalakari, Project Sijan, Project Sugandh, and Project Samvedana, the fruits of which were proudly displayed in their annual exhibition, Kausal Hunar Se Atmanirbharta Tak. Enactus inaugurated their new website this year, excelled in the competitions they participated in, and received an ethic grant of rupees 50,000 from KPMG. My congratulations to Dr. Manika Jain and her team. ARS takes its place to enable equal access seriously. Though a massive crowd sourcing effort, one of our physically challenged postgraduate student was provided with rupees 1.5 lakh as financial aid when his family faced loss of livelihood due to COVID-19. The college's Equal Opportunity Cell provides continual support to all members. In the pandemic, it made special efforts to enable equal access for students with special needs. To ensure the mental well-being of students, sessions with a specialist were initiated. Angel Pro MacBooks were provided to needy students, though Help and Blind Foundation Hong Kong, through Help and Blind Foundation Hong Kong, 6 visually impaired students received scholarships of rupees 10,000 each. In addition, the college roped in Gargi and Vidya Prakash Dutt Foundation to help pay the fees of 11 students who had lost their earning member of their family due to COVID-19. Their generous contribution helped secure the future of these students. In fact, we have received rupees 1.5 lakh from this organization, and we are going to disburse this money for the fee of these 11 students. The Eco Club organized an online poster making competition along with observing Wildlife Week and they have organized many programs. The Women Development Cell continued to carry forward its mission to empower all women scholars. The WDC organized an online session with renowned author and screenwriter Advait Kala in collaboration with NSS, focusing on women's issues during the pandemic. The WDC also organized an informative online panel discussion with eminent speakers on the occasion of International Women's Day on 8th March, whose theme this year was Choose to Challenge. The fee concession and booklet committee of the college for the financial year 2021, an amount of rupees 9.88 lakh was dispersed among 350 students, 350 students who are economically weaker as financial assistance and fee concession. Further, the committee recommended a scholarship of rupees 5,000 to 20 meritorious and needy students. The Northeast Welfare Committee carried out its excellent work on integration the campus and also sensitizing the college body to the political situation in the Northeast. It conducted an orientation session and virtual interactive sessions taking up issues facing Northeast students in the city. The speakers shared their valuable experience with the students. Although sports activities could not take place in the college because there were lockdowns and students are not coming in the college, but a few of our students have achieved some medal. They won some medals in the state and national level competitions. Sanhit Bishnoi, BA Honors Political Science third year student, won Delhi NCR Cup 2021 tournament organized by Delhi Golf Club. Manish Bhati, BA Program second year, selected for training of archery in National Center for Excellence, Guwahati. Sanhit Bishnoi again won first position in Champions of North Tour Championship organized by Junior Golf Scoreboard in January 21. Sanhit Bishnoi again participated in national tournament and finished T4 in 105 participants organized at Chandigarh. Sir, we have taken some initiatives in this COVID period. I would like to bring your kind notice about them. We have started some awareness and extension activities. A task group was constituted by the college to ensure protocol, SOPs, and safety measures to prevent the spreading of COVID-19. Guidelines were shared regularly with the staff and faculty to control the spread of coronavirus. Video on different measures taken to prevent coronavirus spread and making of a homemade mask tutorials were made and circulated on social media to spread awareness. Daily practice yoga sessions at home were provided through social handles. Sanitization of the campus was done on a regular basis. A help desk consisting of the faculty members and the members of Students' Union has been set up to provide help to the students and faculty being facing problems due to COVID pandemic. Under Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, awareness campaigns were arranged in the adopted 5 villages. Academic activities, teaching learning activities are smoothly being carried out online through G Suite, MS Team. E-content of the lectures are regularly uploaded on the college YouTube channels. As per university guidelines, online open book examination were conducted of students. The college also held an online counseling sessions to familiarize students with the modalities of OBE and ensure their successful appearance in the same. Live videos related to OBE and Delhi University undergraduate admissions process have been uploaded on the college website. 3 webinars were also organized for Delhi University undergraduate admissions 2020 on Zoom and Facebook Live. Admissions were done fully online, avoiding any gathering or contact. Off-campus online access to library resources have been made available. The second edition of annual yearbook, college magazine, NSS yearbook, student handbook, Synergy, Samanvay, Tilt brochure, Nimbus magazine, Enactus newsletter, and college prospectus were launched online and they are available on the college website. All annual events like International Yoga Day, Annual Day, Orientation Day, Foundation Day were organized online. All the documents like degree certificates and mark sheets were sent to the students online so that they don't have to visit college. Support for emotional well-being. IQAC of the college has organized more than 50 webinars on the subject related to mental well-being, such as stress management, combating anxiety, depression, and fear, etc. Online counseling by the college counselor through audio video mediums is being provided to the students. ARSD College, under the aegis of IQAC, organized 3 web concerts of famous singers Suryansh, Kumar Satyam, and Maithili Thakur on Facebook Live. For medical assistance, we have been provided by one our alumni. One concentrator has been arranged for the college, and 3 have been donated to the university for its health center. It was donated by our alumni Gaurav Sharma from his organization. Medical assistance was provided by the NSS volunteers and students in the form of arranging online doctor's appointments, medical consultancy, informing regarding availability of bed, oxygen cylinder, etc. were done. Sir, I am immensely proud of the staff and students for their continued support and their steadfast dedication to the high standard of the excellence we strive to maintain. We must build on our strong foundation to create a space and a community that is inspirational to its openness to new ideas and its ability to innovate. Thank you so much for your patient hearing. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Over to Roji.
Thank you, sir. With your energy, enthusiasm, and vision, we all look forward to a very bright future for our college. Thank you for being our guiding light in all our endeavors. Thank you very much, sir. I now request Professor Prem Lal Unyal, Treasurer, College Governing Body, to address us. Sir.
Thank you, Dr. Rosie. Good morning to all wonderful people present today. Respected Professor Burma, Chairman GB, Professor Gyantosh Jha, Principal of the college, Dr. Roji, other respected teachers, students, alumni, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. I feel honored and privileged to be the part of this auspicious occasion of celebrating the annual day of the college. This is a vibrant day for the college. We eagerly wait for the annual day celebration, which gives us immense joy because each one gets the opportunity to participate and display the accomplishments. I am really delighted to see the many great achievements of the college. We realize and we believe in a method of learning which encourages each student to actively participate and inculcate good leadership. Annual day celebration is a perfect way to build self-esteem, confidence, and social skills, and to motivate the students to excel academically. I must mention a quote by Aristotle: "The roots of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet." And this is very true. ARSD College has come a long way, and what I could gather from the annual report, it is evident that a student that comes to the college gets all-round development. Students are encouraged to come forward by creating a comfortable environment in the college. Success comes to those who persevere, work hard, display honesty and integrity. I wish to convey my best wishes and compliments to the faculty, staff, and students who have been contributing to the overall growth of the college. That is why the college stands steadfast, delivering high quality education, developing a high sense of responsibility among the students, and preparing to become good future citizens. I wish you all the best under the dynamic leadership of Professor Jha. Thank you once again. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and encouraging words. It is now my pleasure to invite Professor Pradeep Kumar Verma, Chairman, College Governing Body, to share his thoughts with us. Sir.
Firstly, I must thank the Professor Jha and principal of the college and the organizing committee of the annual day function to sort of invite me to be part of this celebrations. Actually, it has been my great privilege to be part of your college of ARSD over the last 1 year, being a member of the governing body. And I have learned quite a few things while attending the different meetings and interactions with the members here. Students, I think I'll start off by congratulating all the students, my colleagues, staff, teaching, non-teaching, everyone in the college to have really done wonders in this unforeseen times. Like this pandemic, this lockdowns has created such a situation where most of us were just trying to float through, trying to survive through these lockdowns. Whereas what I see now is that ARSD has actually has been swimming against the current and has really achieved a lot during this period. I congratulate each one of you, everyone, starting from the students to the faculty to the non-teaching staff and everyone who has made this possible. Of course, this has been a tough times for everyone. I'm sure the students must be missing the college life and has to do with sitting on the screens to interact with their teachers. At the same time, I'm sure the teachers have also been missing the vibrant classrooms. There's one thing of teaching through online mode. Myself, I also am being a teacher. I always miss this vibrant classroom where, of course, at times a teacher also gets irritated. But as a teacher, I would love those vibrant classrooms to be back. Online has its own benefits, or there's nothing one could have done at this point of time but go online. But yes, I'll be looking forward to be back into those vibrant classrooms. What this lockdown and pandemic has created for education is what I see is you have Doctors Without Boundaries. I'm sure you have heard about this, Doctors Without Boundaries. This time around, it has become Education Without Boundaries. And when going through, hearing all the reports and other things that the college has been doing, I think you have actually spread across beyond that ARSD campus and interacted even internationally. The number of webinars, the number of online sessions, the number of interactions that you seem to have done, I couldn't imagine of doing this at my own end in my own postgraduate departments. It is enormous. And I'm sure all the students, the faculties and others would have benefited through this, would have made some new connections and would have benefited out of these interactions. Of course, there are several of these societies, and I can see that the college has been helping students in an all-round development apart from classroom teaching or the courseworks that students would be completing. They have also got a lot of avenues for contributing to the country, and learning how to contribute to the country, contributing to the college, and also an outlet for their own skills, other skills, maybe artistic skills, maybe trying to in an acting, photography. I can see so many different kinds of things, and I congratulate all of you for creating such an environment where I'm sure the students would enjoy it. I must be enjoying it. I really, I'm out of words. I'm really listening to all these reports that you have been doing over this 1 year, which has been a tough time. I really don't know how to, I really appreciate this. And I'm looking forward to reading some of these reports and also seeing some of the short films which the college seemed to have produced. And I will be looking forward to reading and seeing those. And I think I wish all the students of the college the best of luck. There will be a bunch of students who will be graduating out of the college this I think by the end of this semester. I wish you luck. I'm sure you would have learned quite a bit from the college, and you would be taking what your learnings forward into your next phase of life, maybe at a postgraduate department or maybe at an entrepreneurship or whatever jobs that you may, some may be moving into jobs. All the best to you. Do well, and always remember that you had a foundation at ARSD. And so wherever you get a time, I'm sure you will get back as an alumni and again contribute to the growth of this college. To all the students, best of luck. Do keep doing well. Take all the learnings that you have had in your tenure at ARSD and move forward. And a very special cheer to all the students who have all contributed to the various other activities of the college, be it NSS, be it photography, being all the societies that I was hearing about. A special cheers to all of them. A big congratulations and thank you to all the teachers and other staff members, the principal, to making this college. Ranking is one part which all of us live with, that nowadays everybody talks about NIRF rank, India Today rank and other things, but just even, I'm sure the college rankings will also improve, but by looking at the kind of inputs that everybody is making, I think that by itself is a great achievement. And as the students move out, as they move into the society, move into other places, I'm sure they will realize what benefits they have got of having been attached to ARSD, and that by itself will speak more than the ranks that are given colleges. Wish you all the best. Thank you everyone for making me a part of your college, and I hope to hear greater things about ARSD in the coming future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words of wisdom. Your presence and your valuable words are a source of encouragement for all of us here at ARSD College. Thank you very much, sir.
With the help and unconditional support of Chairman sir and Treasurer sir, we could succeed in promotions also, and we have promoted all our teachers till up to associate professor level. So thank you, sir, for supporting us, and both of you have supported me in all these good works which were done by college in the last year. Thank you so much. Roji, please continue.
I would also like to take this opportunity on behalf of all the teachers. Thank you, sir. We all are promoted now, and we look forward with great zeal and enthusiasm to do much more for the college. Thank you, sir. And now I request Dr. Vinita Tuli to kindly take over for the further proceedings. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Dr. Rosie Sinha. Respected Professor Pradeep Kumar Barma, Chairperson, College Governing Body, and Chief Guest on this occasion. Professor Prem Lal Unyal, Treasurer, College Governing Body, and Guest of Honor on this occasion. And our respected Principal Sir, Professor Gyantosh Kumar Jha. A very good afternoon to each and everyone present. We applaud and reward the students for their sincere efforts during the previous academic session. The college honors all its achievers for having attained a sterling record both in scholastic and co-scholastic domain. विद्यार्थी और शिक्षकों के साल भर के अथक प्रयास से जो उपलब्धियां हासिल की जाती हैं, आज के दिन कॉलेज छात्रों की शैक्षणिक और गैर शैक्षणिक उपलब्धियों को सेलिब्रेट करने का है। सबसे पहले मैं उन शैक्षिक पुरस्कारों की घोषणा करूंगी जो मेधावी छात्रों को उनके संबंधित पाठ्यक्रमों में प्रथम और द्वितीय स्थान प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए जाते हैं। First, I will announce the scholastic awards given to the meritorious students for standing first and second in their respective courses. The art stream toppers are for BA Honors Hindi first year. The first prize is received by Preeti Maurya and the second prize is bagged by Neha. For BA Honors Hindi second year, Ruchi receives the first prize and Saurav Kumar Singh receives the second prize. For BA Honors Hindi third year, Nitesh Kumar receives the first prize and Rajiv the second prize. For BA Honors Economics first year, Yamika Chopra receives the first prize and Hardik Sharma the second prize. For BA Honors Economics second year, Ankit Upadhyay bags the first prize and Namisha Kandari the second prize. For third year, Ankit Upadhyay receives the first, Bhuvan Mehra receives the first prize and Amarjeet the second prize. Now going in for BA Honors English. BA Honors English first year, Rashi Goyal receives the first prize and Swikriti Pandey receives the second prize. In second year, Pratishtha Kharbanda receives the first prize and Vriddhi Jain bags the second prize. In BA Honors English third year, Samriddhi Rudola receives the first prize and Inali Negi receives the second prize. Now for History Honors, BA Honors in History first year, Ananya Sinha receives the first prize and the second prize with the equal CGPA is being shared by Shruti Jain and Ashish Raghuvanshi. For BA Honors History second year, the first prize is received by Resham Jha and the second prize is being shared by Alok Kumar and Abhigyan Gogoi. For BA Honors History third year, Priyanshi Agarwal bags the first prize and Harshita Shankar the second prize. For BA Honors Political Science first year, Nidhi receives the first prize and Soumya Sai the second prize. For second year, Chirag Gaur receives the first prize and Ritik Bakshi bags the second prize. For BA Honors Political Science third year, Madan Chand stands first and Shreya Pandey stands second. Now for BA program first year, Anushka Seni gets the first prize and Vante K. Mushre receives the second prize. For BA program second year, Abhinav Gupta receives the first prize and Riddhi Garg and Siddhi Garg share the second prize. For BA program third year, Amar Singh stands first and Ruchi Kansal second. Now for the MA courses, first is MA English Previous. Divya Kumari receives the first prize. Ayushi Gupta stands second. In final year, MA English, Rasha Fatima KK receives the first prize and Soumya Charan Pahari the second prize. In MA Hindi previous, Sonu Joshi receives the first prize and Niti and Muhammad Azam share the second prize. For MA Hindi final, Shikha Kumari stands first and Pavan Kumar stands second. In MA Political Science previous, Devesh Kumar stands first and Anurag Singh second. In MA Political Science final year, Vikas Yadav receives the first prize and Sagar Saurav the second prize. अब मैं कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम के प्राइज विनर्स के नाम घोषित करती हूं. In BCom first year, Ankita Gupta stands first and Ashiza also stands first. This first prize is shared by Ankita Gupta and Ashiza. The second prize, Neha gets the second prize in BCom first year. For BCom second year, Aditya Gandhi and Rajbir shared the first prize and Kanhaiya Rauniyar, Khushi and Purnima Sutradhar, they received the second prize. For BCom third year, Firdaus Siddiqui stands first and Ritika Mehta stands second. For BCom honors first year, Komal Agarwal receives the first prize and Riya Sangwan and Ritika Goyal share the second prize. For BCom honors third year, Sparshi Agarwal receives the first prize and Diksha Upadhyay the second prize. In MCom previous, Radhika Jhavar receives the first prize and the second prize is shared by Janvi Khurana and Komal Yadav. In MCom final, Chetna Jain receives the first prize and Shivangi Jain receives the second prize. In BCom honors first year, I missed BCom honors first year, Prachi Pandey and Sunita, they received the first prize and Harshit Sahu receives the second prize. Now for the list of meritorious students in science courses. For BSc Honors Chemistry first year, Ritu Yadav, Rajat, Hemang Bhartiya, they share the first prize. And Shreya Rawat receives the second prize. For BSc Honors Chemistry second year, Ayush Gangwar received the first prize and the second prize is shared by Prince Yadav and Madhav Rastogi. In BSc Honors Chemistry third year, Amandeep Mishra receives the first prize and Shubhankar Hore stands second. For BSc Honors Physics first year, the first prize is received by Harkirat Verma and the second prize is shared by Gaurav Sharma and Lavi Gupta. For BSc Honors Physics second year, Mani Shankar Ailiga receives the first prize and KM Garima Yadav stands second. For BSc Honors Physics third year, Alka receives the first prize and Kshitij Bhardwaj receives the second prize. Now going in for BSc Honors Mathematics. In BSc Honors Mathematics first year, Sonali and Ankit Patel, they share the first prize and Akanksha Pandey gets the second prize. BSc Honors Mathematics second year, Manish Singh stands first and Ashish Kumar Trivedi stands second. BSc Honors Mathematics third year, Archita Negi stands first and Ankit stands second. In BSc Electronics Honors first year, Puneet Yadav stands first and Nitisha stands second. In BSc Honors Electronics second year, James Singh stands first and Ritik Joshi receives the second prize. For BSc Honors Electronics third year, Rahul Verma stands first and Shweta stands second. For BSc Honors Computer Science first year, Sudipto Ghosh stands first and Lakshay Sharma stands second. For BSc Honors Computer Science second year, Saurabh Kumar gets the first prize and Puneet Parmar receives the second prize. For BSc Physical Science Computer Science first year, Shivam Verma receives the first prize and Raj Singh stands second. In BSc Physical Science Computer Science second year, Balkesh gets the first prize and Bhavna Rajput the second prize. In BSc Physical Science Computer Science third year, Shubham Upadhyay receives the first prize and Varun Kumar gets the second prize. BSc Physical Science Chemistry first year, Anupriya gets the first prize and Ujjwal stands second. In second year, BSc Physical Science Chemistry, Shikhar Gunavat gets the first prize and Pooja the second prize. In BSc Physical Science Chemistry, third year, Simran stands first and Shagun Singh stands second. In BSc Physical Science Electronics, first year, Ashish Kumar Punia stands first and Abhinav Pandey stands second. In second year, the first prize is shared by Shubham Raj Roniyar and Chetali Verma. And Piyush Gupta stands second. In BSc Physical Science Electronics third year, Ishwar Singh Tawar stands first and Neeraj Kharb stands second. Now for the last set of scholastic awards, BSc Applied Physical Science Industrial Chemistry, first year. Monty gets the first prize and Shivam Sharma the second prize. In second year, Ishika Agarwal receives the first prize and Nandita Shukla the second prize. In BSc Applied Physical Science Industrial Chemistry, third year, Riya Sharma stands first and Anjali stands second. Now, the next category of awards is the memorial prizes. For the Sultan Chand Draupadi Devi Memorial Scholarship Prize, which is given to the best student of BCom Honors of the college, this award goes to Komal Agarwal of BCom Honors, third year. Sultan Chand Draupadi Devi Memorial Scholarship Prize for the best student of BCom Honors, first year, goes to Prachi Pandey and Sunita. Dr. Usha Agarwal Tejaswi Scholarship Prize for the best student of BCom program, second year of the college, goes to Aditya Gandhi and Rajbir. Dr. Usha Agarwal Tejaswi Scholarship Prize for the best student of BCom program, third year of the college, goes to Firdosh Siddiqui. Rukman Tara Memorial Prize for the best students of BSc Honors Chemistry of the college goes to Amandeep Mishra and Shubhankar Hore. Inderraj Dhawan Memorial Prize for the best student of BSc Honors Physics of the college goes to Alka. Rajkumari Dhawan Memorial Prize for the best student of BSc Honors Electronics of the college goes to Rahul Verma. Dr. Manju Dhawan Memorial Prize for the best student of BA Honors Hindi third year of the college goes to Nitesh Kumar. SK Batra Memorial Prize for the best student of BSc Honors Physics of the college goes to Nitesh Kumar. And best student of BSc Physical Science Electronics of the college goes to Ishwar Singh Tawar of third year. Sanjeev Arora Memorial Prize for the best student of BSc Honors Computer Science of the college goes to Saurabh Kumar of third year. Jitendra Arora Memorial Prize for the best student of BA program of the college goes to Amar Singh. Principal CL Suri Memorial Prize for the best student of BA Honors Political Science of the college goes to Madan Chand and Shreya Pandey. Sham Sundar Arora Memorial Prize for the best student of BA Honors Economics of the college goes to Bhuvan Mehra. Dr. Naresh Kumari Memorial Suresh Scholarship Prize for the best student of BA Honors Hindi third year goes to Nitesh Kumar. Dr. Naresh Kumari Suresh Memorial Scholarship Prize for the best student of BA Honors Hindi second year goes to Ruchi. Dr. Naresh Kumari Suresh Memorial Scholarship Prize for the best student of BA Honors Hindi first year goes to Preeti Maurya. Dr. Kuldeep Chand Trikha Memorial Scholarship Prize for the best student in BSc Honors Chemistry goes to Amandeep Mishra of third year BSc Honors Chemistry. To encourage our students to participate and excel in extracurricular activities every year, the college awards the best two performers in every society of the college. सह पाठ्यक्रम गतिविधियां छात्रों के सीखने के अवसरों का विस्तार करती हैं, उन्हें उनकी आंतरिक प्रतिभा को पहचानने और विकसित करने में मदद करती हैं। ये उनके व्यक्तित्व को सर्वांगीण विकास की ओर ले जाता है। कॉलेज छात्रों को अतिरिक्त पाठ्यक्रम गतिविधियों में भाग लेने और उसमें उत्कृष्टता प्राप्त करने में प्रोत्साहित करता है। इसके लिए कॉलेज की तरफ से कॉलेज के सभी समितियों के सर्वश्रेष्ठ 2 कलाकारों तथा विद्यार्थियों को कॉलेज की तरफ से पुरस्कार दिया जाता है। So for the co-curricular activities, the students who have excelled in NSS are Vidhi Gupta of BA Economics Honors second year and Prachi Agarwal for BCom Honors second year. For exemplary contribution in NCC, the students who have been nominated and awarded are Puneet Kumar Ray of BSc Honors Physics third year and Dhruv of BSc Honors Physics second year. Artisania, the Arts and Crafts Society of the college, the awardees for their commendable contribution are Hardik Sharma of BA Honors Economics third year and Nikita Rana of BCom program third year. For exemplary contribution in the placement cell, the awardees are Aditya Agarwal of BSc Physical Science Computer Science third year and Ritvik Arya of BCom Honors third year. For exemplary contribution in enactors, the students who have been nominated and awarded are Yash Gulati of BCom program 3rd year, and Anushka Bhardwaj of BA Honors English 3rd year. For the Hindi Debating Society Vedant, the awardees for their commendable contribution are Aradhya Sharma, BA Honors Political Science 1st year, and Shalu Kumari, BA Honors Political Science 2nd year. In the Photographic Society of the College Pixelation, the students for their exemplary contribution are Ankit of BSc Physical Science, Computer Science, 3rd year, and Praveen Singh, BSc Physical Science, Computer Science, 3rd year. Nimbus, the English Debating Society. The students who have excelled in Nimbus and have been awarded are Ishan Chatterjee of BSc Physics Honors, 3rd year, and Komal Agarwal of BCom Honors, 3rd year. In the College Magazine Committee, the students who have been awarded for their commendable contribution are K.R. Swati of BA Honors English 3rd year and Pratishtha Karbanda of BA Honors English 3rd year. Rangayan, the Dramatic Society of the college, has nominated and awarded Diksha Luthra of BA Honors Economics 3rd year and Deepanshi of BA Honors History 3rd year for their commendable contribution. In the Cultural Society, the awardees are U. Sai Samhita of BCom program 3rd year and Sonia of BA program 3rd year. In sports, Sanhit Bishnoi, a golfer who has excelled and participated and won many championships at the national and the international events, has been nominated for the best student in sports. Sanhit Bishnoi of BA Honors Political Science 2nd year. And along with him, Manish Bhati. He's an archer and has excelled and won many international and national events, and he has also been selected in the National Center of Excellency, that is the national camp which was held in Guwahati. TILT, the Film Appreciation Society of the college. For this, the nominees and the awardees for their commendable contribution are Maitri Singh of BA Honors English 3rd year and Shoaib Mohammed of BSc Honors Maths 3rd year. Finally, we come to the special prize, which is being given to Miss K.R. Swati of BA Honors English 3rd year for her exemplary contribution towards designing of the college magazine Udyachal in 2019 and 20, and college prospectus in the year 2019. And this year also she'll be doing it, and the student handbook in the year 2019 and 20. Ms. K.R. Swati of BA Honors English 3rd year. A special thanks and congratulations to all the prize winners. We have prepared a small cultural program. We present before you the Lavani group dance by the students of the dance group Kalashri from the Cultural Society of the college. Ravinder, can we have that?
लाल काळ धाग्यानी रेशमाच्या रेगानी लाल काळ धाग्यानी कर्नाटकी कशी दामी काढीला हातून घालावू माझ्या साडीला रेशमाच्या रेगानी लाल काळ धाग्यानी कर्नाटकी कशी दामी काढीला हातून घालावू माझ्या
आणि ऐन भरात आले मस्त अंगुरी रात प्याले मदनाची रूप सुंदरा जणू इंद्राची अप्सरा गुलजार नार देखणी नखरेला चटक चांदणी मला फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा राया फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा अन इश्काचा गुलखंद खिलवा मला फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा राया फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा अन इश्काचा गुलखंद खिलवा मला फिरतीच्या झुल्यात झुलवा अन इश्काचा गुलखंद खिलवा इश्काचा गुलखंद खिलवा आणि इश्काचा गुलखंद खिलवा हो
तुम्ही येताना केला इशारा उभ्या देहावरी हा शहारा मन तवाच झालं गुलाम मोठ पाहते आता गुमान जिव्हारी धाक धुक गाठली आपसुक मोहर धावळकीची राखू द्या ना मर्जी स्वारींची राखू द्या ना मर्जी स्वारींची द्या ना मर्जी स्वारींची राखू द्या ना मर्जी स्वारींची ना मर्जी स्वारींची राखू द्या ना मर्जी स्वारींची द्या ना मर्जी स्वारींची राखू द्या ना मर्जी स्वारींची
Sorry, I was not able to unmute myself. Thank you, Sonia, Runjhun, Priya, Kritika, and Anushka for that very spirited performance. I'm sure that everyone thoroughly enjoyed it. And after that, we have a solo song by our student Vivek Parashar of the music group Sarang and of the Cultural Society of the college.
जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, ओ हमनवा। ओ चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। ओ चांदनी जब तक रात देता है हर कोई साथ, तुम मगर अंधेरों में ना छोड़ना मेरा हाथ। न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी अपने बस में न कोई है न कोई था जिंदगी में तुम्हारे सिवा, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, ओ हमनवा। जब कोई बात बिगड़ जाए, जब कोई मुश्किल पड़ जाए, तुम देना साथ मेरा ओ हमनवा, ओ हमनवा।
Thank you, Vivek, for the wonderful song. And I would also like to thank the convener of the Cultural Society, Dr. Avnish Pratap Singh, for organizing this small cultural presentation for us. Now I invite Dr. Anju Bajaj, convener, Annual Day Committee, to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Vinita. Once again, good afternoon, everyone. Today's honorable chief guest, Professor Pradeep Kumar Barma, Chairman, College Governing Body, guest of honor, Professor Prem Lal Unyal, Treasurer, College Governing Body, respected Principal Sir, Professor Gyantosh Kumar Jha, IQAC convener, Dr. Vinita Tulli, and all the faculty members and dear students. It's my proud privilege to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. I, Anju Bajaj, on behalf of Atmaram Sanatam Dhamma College, extend a very sincere thanks and gratitude to Professor Pradeep Kumar Barma sir and Professor Prem Lal Unyal sir for accepting our invitation and joining us on the 62nd annual day function of the college. Your presence and kind words are a source of inspiration and encouragement for all of us. The annual day celebration has become very special by the presence of these honorable guests. I also wish to express my gratitude to our principal, Professor Gyantosh Kumar Jha, who is the pillar of strength and support. Sir, it is your vision and leadership that made it possible to bring our college to such great heights. I would like to thank Ms. Kokila Negi, bursar of the college, for her valuable suggestions and financial assistance. I also thank former IQAC coordinator and bursar, Dr. V.K. Arora, for his positive guidance. I also like to thank the entire teaching staff for overall development of students, community, and non-teaching staff, including administration, accounts, and maintenance, for their valuable contribution throughout the year. I wish to give special thank to all the students and their parents who joined us in the celebration of annual day and made it a huge success. I am extremely thankful to entire organizing team, Dr. Jaya Tomar, Dr. Vinita Tulli, Ms. Kokila Negi, Dr. Rosie Sinha, Dr. Vikas Kumar, Mr. Dipankar, Dr. Preeti Jain, and Dr. Snehata. Without their support and hard work, this annual days would not have been a success. Other than organizing committee, many other faculty members have helped a lot for this event. I cannot forget to take their names. They are Dr. Parminder Kaur, Dr. Geeta Devi, Dr. Neelam Gaur, and Dr. Amit Vishkarma. I would like to congratulate all the prize winners and wish them a very bright future. I want to emphasize here that always put an effort on something you want, because hard work always pays off at the right time. Congratulations for receiving the awards. Last but not the least, I cannot forget to say big thank you to Mr. Ravinder Pant for technical support, making beautiful presentations, and for the smooth running of the program on virtual mode. I hope that soon we all resume our normal non-virtual activities in the college. Have a good day. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you, everyone.